press the on button to switch on the equipment ST fast. The maintenance mode configuration window will be displayed by default on the screen. The maintenance mode gives this oven a particular functionality, allowing the cooking chamber to be always at the right temperature before starting the desired recipe. Simply select the desired maintenance temperature by scrolling through the temperature bar, or by using the increase or decrease buttons, and click on the confirm icon. An orange top bar will be displayed, indicating that maintenance mode is running in the background. When the maintenance mode is running in the background, the menu button will remain disabled. During the execution of the maintenance mode, recipes can be selected or a cooking process can be started from quick start. It will also be possible to modify recipe parameters before the start of cooking during the execution of the maintenance mode. These changes will not be saved for the recipe because the menu button will be disabled, but they will be applied before the start of this specific cooking. The maintenance mode menu can be accessed by clicking on the maintenance icon on the home screen. The desired maintenance temperature can be reset. The current chamber temperature can be displayed, or the maintenance mode can be interrupted. If you wish to activate the maintenance mode, click on the maintenance icon again. Select the maintenance temperature again and click on the confirm icon.